she throwing it back. I got bad ones doubling back. In a trap, just doubling racks. You lost me when a combo dragged. I want sheets that come into chat. I want her and her.
All right, y'all. Finally, here's a tutorial of how I did the super high ponytail for the Order of Doves ball. Where I went to do a little appearance to celebrate my guy, Kelvin, for being the Grand Marshal of Order of Doves. And also, my makeup artist, Esther Lewis, shouts out to S, ELA. But the first thing you need to do, boo, is situate this ponytail. Before you get anything done, situate the ponytail, because, baby, I almost bit off more than I could chew. Okay, I got this idea from Christiana on Instagram. This is her. So beautiful. But what I didn't consider is that this lady does it every day. Okay, she's an influencer. I am a personal trainer. I do not do this every day. But I had to do my biggest one for my biggest guy. So just put all of your locks in one ponytail. Brush up the sides, get that kitchen, and get ready. So here I'm doing my edges because I want to get my mind off the fact that I almost bit off more than I could chew. And I don't remember edges being this hard. It was much easier in the 90s when we was using Pump It Up in black gel. I don't know what happened. So I'm using regular hair store gel. Don't ask me to bring. It's just all brand regular. So anyways, what I ended up doing was following directions. But I took some scrunchies and put them the length of my ponytail so it would stand up. And then I use this Cuban braiding hair, Cuban Afro, I don't know, Afro Cuban braiding hair. And what I'm going to do is start at the base of my ponytail and I'm going to wrap it all the way up using one little strand at a time like this. Now, at this point, we're about 15 minutes out from the gyro coming. And I mean, I was pressed like a panini down to the floor. So I tied up my edges, so at least those look decent. Now, this is how tall it looked, y'all, and I didn't realize how tall it was going to be. And my goofy tail was over here, standing on my tippy toes, like standing on my tippy toes longer on my arms. Like looking like a who was an easy thing. But I wanted to give Cindy Lou Who realness. I just wrapped it all the way to the top, and y'all, so it's not perfect. It don't matter, but it ain't perfect. So once you got your ponytail high, my recommendation definitely at the top is to tuck those little pointy tops in as much as you can, or hairpin them in. But moving forward, I just had this Afro puff ponytail. It's a drawstring ponytail. And I'm just unpacking it here, and I'm going to situate it at the top of my ponytail. Now, this was an actual moment I was trying to figure out. Girl, if you can't reach the top of your ponytail, how are you going to get in the car? How? Because Nanette was picking up the girls, picking up S and K, because where's my ponytail going to go? Anyway, and I worked out. I look good. This is the final look. I put some pearls and wrapped the pony. You had a good time.
I fight it for my life for this. No, I was fighting.
It's so good.
It's a thank you, beloved. I do my best. No, I didn't.
No cameras.
Please.
No pictures. No pictures.
Yep, and